In this video, I will show you how you can charge your iPad 11 A16. Now this iPad comes with a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable and a 20-watt adapter out of the box. Now in some other regions like the EU, this iPad does not come with the adapter in the box, so you will have to buy it separately. While Apple ships this iPad with a 20-watt charger in the box, but some sources online say that this iPad supports from 30 to 45 watts of fast charging. Now to get the maximum charging speed, I recommend you to get Apple's original 45-watt adapter. So even if your iPad does not support fast charging, if you buy Apple's original adapter, your iPad will not be damaged because it will only receive the amount of watts it supports from the adapter. Also, you can charge your iPad directly from your computer or your laptop. Just plug in one end of the USB Type-C cable to your computer, then plug in the other end of the cable to your iPad, and your iPad will start charging from your computer. You can do the same thing if you have a car charger. Just plug in one end of the cable to your car charger and the other end to your iPad. Also, if you're wondering that if this iPad supports wireless charging or not, so unfortunately the iPad 11 A16 does not support wireless charging or even MagSafe charging. You can only charge it through the USB Type-C port over here. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.